Hello, hello. This is Sami again here, and this is again coffee time. Guys, today is 15 October 2022, and without further ado and without killing the time, let's check it out what we want to do. We want to make a parking application in the framework of Blazor and main language of C Sharp, okay? What I mean by parking application is they accept a car from the start to the end, and it is going to calculate the price and details for that period of time. And here let's say we want to make a Blazor app, server app, and it's a park app. Okay, let's create this. We have we have to do some things here. Before that, I am going to start. You see there is some default things here, but we don't need these default things, and I'm not going to remove also them. Let's stay there. And here we want to make a parking application. For other thing, I say here I have here a new directory. uh, where is it? I have here a new folder or new directory, and I say that is model. Okay, uh, let's check here. I'm going to make my class here, and that is just uh, parking, for example, or park class, like this. Okay, that is just a class, and uh, it has a property here as park ID, and this is for our database. And I have here also a car has a plate, a number plate. I take it as a string. Who cares? Plate number, and also that this object has a start time of, and I say here date time, incoming date, for example, income date, that is the time. Let's say date time, so, and again it has uh, it has uh, out come out go out date. I take it what you want. Okay, this is this. Okay, and here, for example, we have two possibility. We can make a method here to calculate. For example, I say here our park is €1 per hour, and I make a function here to calculate. When you say okay, this car stays for 5 hours here, and directly here just calculate it and put it in our database, and administration get it somewhere. Okay, but second opportunity or second option is that we take it with a query from our database and then calculate it. But let's take it so simple. Okay, this is my class. It has nothing special because a car has plate number. A car has many more details, but what I need and what I have to make is just plate number. Okay, this is my object. This is my class. And here we have now installed some packages here, because that's really bad. Every time that I am making new project, I have to install those things and just make it in my application. uh, I say here I want entity framework core, this one, add to project. We need also SQL server and design. uh, Install this also there. install this one also there, and I think just install the YouTube core tools. Okay, now we have, that was our SQL, SQL for our database. But the thing is this, we have to add that in our database. And how I'm doing that, I'm doing like this. I am going to open other project, that is YouTube, our other project for YouTube, for other video. I open it and I copy some things what I need. These are standard things, and that is to set up our database. That's not a big deal. That is really easy to make, but because I want just copy from somewhere, that is what I like, and we are going to easily copy from somewhere. And we have also here from last video here, you see. But I want to show you, this is our last project that was about CRUD application. And if you see here, we have here application DB context. Okay, this application DB context, uh, that is for our database. And if you take here in this new project here, okay, we don't have it yet, and I say here, I make here item here, I say here that is application DB context. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, this is this application DB context, I have it there. And now this is the form of that application DB context. Okay, I say I copy this one from other project, I put it here, and I say here copy this name, put it here, put it here, and put it here. And I have here a database of park, and this is park. Here we set our database up, and this is now database added. And now we have to put it in our application JSON and program. And what is application JSON? Look here, like this. If you, this is really similar to other languages. I'm going to take this connection string to other project here, and I say here application DB context, here data, I name it as application DB context. Okay, here, and I say you make table park one in my database. And now I'm going to my program, container class, and here in program container class I have to add it also here, you see, like this. I put it here, and I say here again application DB context, that was the name of that, like this, like this. Import Microsoft Entity Framework, here is this, and I think we are done. Okay, and now we are going to close other one. Okay, now let's again check it. We have here our class here, and now let's build now this project one time, and we want now to make our database. Here we say add integration first, that is good. And now update database. Okay, You see here. And now let's check our database. I say here view SQL Server Object Explorer. uh, uh, let's check this. Oh yeah, Park app, that is here. Okay, let's see here Park 1 and go to the tables, and here I'm open it, and you see this is our database, but empty database. Okay, now let's do like this. Okay, we have here our data, we have here now that thing, and I want to say here we want make a razor component, and I say here uh, create park. Okay, I say here this is create park, and this is going to be like this. I say here page, I say here create park. Okay, this is create park page, and here because we want to save something in database, what I'm doing, I say here I'm making here again, because we want to make interface pattern, and here I say make a new project, a new for interface, new directory, and then here interface, and I say here I want here to have a class as I park service. iPark service, that is just a type of interface of abstract or whatever you want, and this interface has only one void save park, and it accepts object of a park as park, like this. This is a void method, nothing to return, and it save a park, and I want to make here other C# class, and I want to name it say park implementation, and this is going to implement that I park service, and here implement those methods there. Okay, and here that is like this. Oh, we have to copy something else there. Just again, let me again open it, because I don't want to type too much here. When we can copy it from somewhere, that's good type. When you understand it, then you can copy it how many times you want. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to inject our database to our implementation class. Okay, and now I'm going to our old project. Here we have let me check. Here we have here implementation of something here, and I want to have here just this, and here in my implementation class, because we want to communicate with our database, and we have to inject our uh, we have to inject our database class, and that was this, like this, here read only, like this, and that is okay. And here just I say here context dot park dot add object of a park without exception, without nothing, because this is just about execution purposes, and this is going to save something for me to my database. Okay, and now here we have to add. If you take a look here, this is a container here. Okay, and we want also put our implementation here in our class or our container. Okay, and that is like this here, and I say here I have iPark service, and near that I have park implementation. Okay, now we have full communication, and that is also okay. And here we have now, I have made here a page, create park here. Okay, here this is, I want to have a form. Okay, what is form? What is form? What is form? What is that form? Let me let me let me take that from somewhere else. I'm going to close this one. For example, I need, let's open this one. I need to bring a HTML form here, and I think I have it here also, I don't know. One year later. Okay, here, for example, I say here, here I want to have a form. What is a form? You know what's a form. I say here, this is a form. Okay, this is a form, and here here is my page, and here you imagine that's like just main page. Okay, I say here I want to have uh, a park, public park is equal to new park, instantiate that class there here. Guys, we have to import names and those things, because guys, really sorry for that, I don't like to type that. What I'm doing, I'm saying here, hey, saying here, I'm clicking this one also, I'm holding this, and I say here that is oh, that is arc app. Take my model here. We don't have also mood Blazor. Let it, I'm not going to install that also there, but that's okay. And also I need my interface dot park app dot interface dot I park service, uh, park service, like this. iPark service. What is problem? This is really okay. Why my bro? Why my bro? Let me check it. So interface arc app dot interface dot iPark service. Park service, and I'm going to inject this. So yeah, okay, inject this, and now here I say I have here, where is my park class? Uh, that is here. I have here plate number. I want to accept this plate number here. I say here, this is plate number uh, here. This plate number, I want to have it as a parameter, and that's like this, parameter. This is coming as a parameter, and what's that? I'm saying uh, before that I want to say here I have a park object, okay, and in that park object I have park dot uh, plate number, okay, park dot plate number, and that is okay. Also here on valid submit, okay, I say here I need a method as valid submit, okay. I'm taking here this also here from valid submit, and I take this valid submit method as void. Here I say when I click you, just you, when I click you, you just send me to other page. How? Like this. See, I say here if I'm going to click on you, let me say like that. If I'm clicking on you, you do like this. You go to park details and just put here for me plate number. Okay, what's doing? Let me see here, park the plate number on valid submit. What is your problem now here? Huh? Park, new park plate number, input text. I'm not seeing here something wrong. Bind value, park dot plate number. Valid submit. Now on input event, okay, on input event, this is a method how I'm getting that my onput event. It say what he type, we get it here, and that is just what plate number. For better understand, I say here now, here is create park. Let's run this application, or it's running for first. Okay, if we make something, if we get now our form, we have to send, when we click there, we have to go to the next page with the plate number what we typed there. Okay, let's see, or it's going as what we expect. The page was create park. Copy this, and just I'm coming to that create park. Okay, here I say here this is my plate number. For example, this is A B C D, like this. Okay, look, I'm coming to the next page with this, and now we have to make this second page. Okay, just wait. Here I say here plate number, okay, and now guys, here I say when we click, you send us to the park details. Okay, now we want to make this park details page, park details, and that is this, And here in this park details, now we get, let me go to the create park and let me just copy all of these. And where is that shit? Park details, control R, control V. And now I say here, here is park details page. Here, look, here is park details page, but it accepts plate number, that plate number in other page. Okay, because you see, if we going to the create park, it say here park is a plate number, and it accept this plate number what we type, and it is going to pass this to the next page, and the next page is just park details. And now with other word, we get plate number from other page to here. Okay, and when it's coming here, I say here you just for now cut this, and I want to say here just show me plate number to see. With this we have to get plate number in the second page like this. You see, let's check it out. Create park, see plate number, this like this, and like you see we get park number. Okay, and now and here I say I have now here a form. Here I'm copying this. I say here copy. I have here 1 2 how in in our part we have plate number, income date, outgo date. Okay, here in details, I say here now you can go plate number. Okay, plate number, and here we have date, plate, income date, and here we have also uh, out date, and these are date fields, date and date. Okay, and now let's see how it looks like. Just see, just it need little explanation, and that's finish. Okay, let's see, create park. I'm going to create park. I give my plate number, for example. I say next page, and look, now when we click there, we coming here. Okay, we need to match something. This plate number here, it should accept this plate number what we type in the last page here. And for that thing, here we have a method on initialize async here in Blazor, and that is this one. It say when page, this is overridden method, and it say when a page initialize, what I can do, I want to say here this field park.plate number, this every time that page loaded up, this park plate number is equal to to plate number, just plate number. Okay, and every time with this, every time when we are going from the first page to the second page, it set that object automatically. For that thing to show you, I'm coming here to create park, and I say here this is my plate number. Okay, and see when I'm coming to the next page, that is this one, and now we want to say okay, which time, and because when this happened, it's mean that car park is coming and now just start. And for that thing we have two possibility. I can here say park dot uh, income date is equal to date time dot now, like this. Okay, and just let's rerun it again, and then check it out how it's going. Okay, let's here say create park. Okay, I say here this is my plate number, and look, it's automatically and now I say okay, just send this to database. Okay, we are sending this information to database, and now let's check our database, view data, refresh it. We have nothing. Why we have nothing? I have to check why we have nothing there. Because we have nothing implemented here. When we click here, okay, here on valid submit, because now we are in the second page. Here I want to say invalid. When I click, you save to database for me, and here we make a void method, public void save. Okay, and if you remember here in interface, we made a save park method, and now we are going to call that here. I want to say when I'm running, you say just we have here our park service here, dot save park. What save park? Object of park. Okay, and just like this. And now just let's check this again, or we get the data in our database. Okay, I say here create park, place number, for example, like this here, and just click. And now let's check database again, refresh, nothing. Let's check it out why we have nothing. let's check it out. Where is our application db context? Application db context, model.park, application db context, application db context. That is also okay. Park details, let's check this again. Valid submit, save. I'm not seeing something wrong here. Let's again check it. Let's again check it out. I'm not seeing something wrong here. Let's check create park again, like this, and see, for example, if I do like this, continue, and now let's again check it out. No, wait. Let me here check my program class. I'm not seeing nothing. No, it's okay. I'm not seeing something. Let's check it out. Oh, wait. I want to say here that this date, it can be null. Okay, out date, because it can be calculated later and it can be null at the time of incoming, for example. Okay, I say here again like this, and it can be null here. Let's see plate number, and that is it. Park 1 tables DVO view data. Let's see why we're not getting data there. For me it is okay. For me that's just okay. Or I miss some steps. Bad. Crashing. It's crashing. We should find it what happened here, because I'm not seeing something wrong here. I want to say here park 2, rebuild this, and now again I want again add migration, update database, Okay, on click we not get data to our database. Let's check it out. We should find it. What is the problem? Let's see other app. Open other app. Let's open other one to see, or I am missing something here, because when I am clicking here, nope, I am not seeing something wrong here. Nothing wrong. Oops. Here I say, wait, here I want to say spark is equal to new spark, and then uh, like this, okay? And now let's check this one. I think and now let's check our database now. Again not, why not? I'm not seeing something wrong, bro. It should work. Yeah. That is also okay. I'm not saying something bad. Just nothing special. Oh, bro, look what I missed here. Here, context should save changes. Damn, bro, yo, you kill me, bro. You kill me. I'm telling you something. You are just like this. Nothing to do. This is just like this. This is what is it? Damn it, bro. Look how you kill my time. And now we are going to check our database, and boom, we have our object in our database. And now you see, and now this is nullable. It say now, for example, this is the method how we save. Now let's say, for example, we have our administration page, huh? We want now, it's end time, and we want to calculate the car that wants to go, okay? And now this killed my mind. Now just damn it, context save changes. And here, let's say here I have here admin administration admin. I don't know if is it reserved word or no, not admin one. This admin one, what want to do? This admin one wants to do something. Wants to find. It wants to find that car by plate number in the database, and take it and work with that here, okay? For that thing, because we have just one object, I'm going again, for example, in the car, in other page, and I'm taking all those things here, and I work now further. But one thing, this is a copy paste, and sometimes we forget some things and those things. And now here we don't need a form here right now. We want to first of all, let me take other form here. I think I have to take it from, for example, from other project. I want now to have, I want now to have a table. What is table? This is table. Look, table is something that shows something. Table. If I'm saying good, table is something that shows something. What is this? This is like this. Wait, this is table. Huh? Wait. Let me show you table for a while. Look, this is table. Oh, this is mood table. Okay, I'm going to take it. Uh, uh, Remove this here. Or wait. Here I want to say, I want to give administration a power to to type that plate number here, to type plate number here. You say, okay, what is that plate number you want to have. Okay, this is like this. Okay, here say here admin page. I get cold, guys, that's why I'm a little bit uncomfortable here now right now, but I think it's okay now. Okay, this page, I say this page admin page. Okay, for example, admin, car admin, this is car admin page. Okay, this car admin page has a, a field that you can put plate number. Okay, I want to say when that administration clicks on a button, you should go in my database and find this plate number. Okay, and find this plate number. How we do this? I'm removing some things here. On click, I want you to find, for example, find plate or find car. Okay, we are making this method later, and save method, I say find car, for example, and here in that find car we implement something now to find that car, and that is let's check this page, car admin. Let's take a look in that car admin. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, you say here car admin was that. I have to make a T. Okay, car admin is like this, but this place number is say uh, uh, enter plate number to find. Okay, guys, I have to make a coffee or something like that. I'm coming like that. Okay, now this is how create what's the name page, create car admin. Sorry, car admin looks like. Okay, like this. We want to put to enter a plate number and then find that and get all information in database. Which time is that coming? Okay, and for that we want to make a method, a find method. Okay, and but I don't want to write it. What I want to do, I say here, let me check something else. Let me check here in if or I can find some find method somewhere. Find, oh yeah, get made a worker by ID, for example. By ID, for example, let me see here. Yeah. I want you to find for me like this. For this thing, we are going to our here, our interface. Here we say get park by ID. Okay, get park by ID is void method or no? No, it is a type of park. You want to retrieve a object of park and with integer ID like this. Okay, if you take a look here, we want to have a object of that. We want, actually we want to give a string. We want to give a string id because that is plate number, and get an object of park, object of what we saved in our data. Okay, and now let's implement this here. That is like this. Okay, here you see this method what I have copied from there, that is this one. Okay, let me make it easier. Okay, here I say I have a park object of park, for example, and that is really easy. I'm doing nothing here, just park and find, and this find is just entity framework method, and like this save, and here again like this. Huh, what, bro? Like this. Okay, you see, and return park, get park by id, and id is, and now I'm going to call here admin. I'm going now, let's take my tea. Okay guys, sorry about that, I get cold and that's why. mm, okay, and now we made a method, and now here in this admin page I want to say, when it's clicking here on that button, what you doing, you send me to the next page with the information of the car. Okay, and next page is here I say next page is that car admin detail, car admin details, and again in the car admin detail I take all those things here for now, and here we say here, okay, I say here copy admin one like this, and here when it's clicked I want just you for now uh, just navigate me to the here like this, one in which page, car admin details I want, car details, for example, car details I copy this. I say here the page is car details, and uh, plate number. Okay, and plate number. And here what you want to show me here, you want now show me a table with those information there. And what is those information? Let me, this is mood table, but we have to install some packages before that. Okay, I think yes. Okay, here I want to say I have an object of park, and I want to bind park with park. Okay, and it want to say here uh, we have here a plate number. Okay, plate number. We have also a method, it say find that, find, we made it net. Okay, I say here park service dot get park by id, for example, and plate number. Okay, that is this, and this is just not void. This is I can do like this also. I can say here I can get a list of, for example, public list of park. Okay, uh, all park list, for example. And here I say here in park list uh, what you want to give back. Here I say here list of park, get park list. Let's just implement this also. Here, and you just return you just return uh, return context dot park dot to list. It is giving me a list of all things what is in my database. Okay, and here I want to show you two type of making this, or you find it by id, or you get a list, and here in this list you say uh, uh, where all is equal to uh, park service dot uh, get park list dot to list, for example. And here I say here where sort, for example, is equal to all dot where for example x dot plate number is equal to plate number. So here if that plate number is matched to that plate number, you just do that, and here return sort dot to list. Okay, okay, and now I have here a method that is going to find one plate number that is matched. Here I get all of list here from database, and then I'm going to search in that list for my specific plate number, and that is the plate number what is coming from here. And guys, for mood Blazor I think we should install some let me see how was that. Mm, whew, mood Blazor installation. We should install that, otherwise we have problem. Okay, here mood Blazor, go to the here mood Blazor, here install this, and then okay, and here we should copy this to layout or host. I think in layout here I cancel, I put it here, if I'm not wrong, and this one, oh, this one, copy this here, and I think this is going to be here, here, and then we have to copy this here in program, I think here, and using Mood Blazor, where using Mood Blazor, in app, no, here using Mood Blazor services, and here this is going to main layout, اینجا here is main layout, let me check it out, where is main layout, main layout, I'm using Mood Blazor services, here now, and here should coming also here, but this should go somewhere, otherwise mood them provider, let's close that. In YouTube video, oh, we made it also one time. Let's check it out again. You see, this is just Mood Blazor, huh? Come on, boy. I have to see where we put that theme. Oh yeah, here. Theme provider in layout. Here. Now let's go to car admin here. No, we have problem with installation of, or let me see. Blazor services. Let me see. Blazor layout. Should be okay. Main layout. Oh, where is main layout? Oh, main layout is here, bro. See? Main layout, you have to put this there. Main layout here. Okay, one time. Close this. Park app. Oh, one. Okay, almost done. Nope, still we have problem with mood Blazor. Let's check. Failed. Hmm. Let me see, or I find some Blazor uh, form table. Let me see. Like this? I don't know, I'm not sure, but let's now check this for a while. Let's see. Template table. So we want to have really like this table. Nope. We have to inject our data class because application context is there in the data. Arc app.data. And now let me again here items. let me check it again here. Our items, you give just this one, it's just one item, but I don't know why I'm not getting here. I'm not getting my database here. Come on. Nothing bad here. I don't know why. I don't know. We have some problem with mood. Using mood Blazor. You see? Now, oh damn it, bro. You see? I'm not liking you, bro. Using mood Blazor here. In other project, you add it in the right place, and you don't need to add it in every page. Here, you put it manually. Oh, really bad. Okay, now here all park list. That is good that we solve everything together here under camera. And here I say that context has a park place number or ID dot park plate number dot uh, income date and dot outgoing date. Okay, this is like this. This is a table. It will show me what is this now. Nothing. Okay, it is a table here. It show me a one show me one plate number with information here. Okay, and now just first of all check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, we want now make a park. Okay, I say here I am Sami. Okay, Sami Sami made a park for that plate number. Okay, and now admin want mm, to see me. Okay, I say here the plate number was Sami. Okay, search, boom, it is taking that Sami from take Sami take that plate number from database, but there is some problem here. Park ID, plate number, date in, date out, and this. Okay, and yet dollar I'm going to add here. What's the type? What's the thing here? Here is like this. When an administration is going to search for a for a for a plate number, it's mean it want to calculate how much it wants to need, or at least we can make a page for only these things. Okay, we are going to imagine in the case we want to search the plate number and we want to calculate how much you want to pay, and then ciao ciao. Okay, okay, we have here now end date. Okay, end date. This end date was actually 0, and I want to say when you find it for me, just say park dot out date is equal to date time dot now. Okay, dot now. And here guys, there are, take a look here. I want to go to calculate for that Sami. Okay, this plate number we want to calculate. Click to find it. Find we are found that, and just let's check here. What is this? Here, income date, outgo date. Let's check here. Park dot out date. Okay. This is the thing. Like this. Now we have information about that car. Okay, and now we know what's the income, what's the start date, and we know what's the end date, and just calculate it. Just that's really simple. For example, here you see here, I say here, I make here public int example price, for example, because I want not to make it but just show you. For example, I say here where start tariff is equal to 2 euros, or 2. Okay, 2 okay, where final is equal to start tariff, for example, start tariff start start tariff, damn it bro, one time I want, okay, start tariff, for example, multiply, for example, hours, or how we get hours. I say here date in, mean date. Oh, okay, but for now I say here, okay, this is the way you get the differences of these two dates. You get a time, you get a double number, and then you say a double number, for example 2. Okay, that's it. Put it here, and here return final مثلا. And just I say here, when you load that shit here, okay, I put here uh, control C, uh, like this, and here you just show me example price. Let's check it out. For example, this is a method easy to make. This is the main how you deal with actually. Okay, and now let's to the car admin, and here say we want to have Sami, and here, and if finding for us, I think I have to remove this, and now again find it. I saw some error there. Car admin, Sami, go here, example price. Let's check. Okay, if I'm saying here, for example, at example price, I'm sure when you want to make it, you make it so beautiful and those things. And this is just about how idea can be implemented, or something like that. Sami, and we get here 4, and that is because I put it here, and I say here break line and example price. You say here, for example, H6 last pay price, like this, for example. Let's again check it out, and I think this is good for today, and it was just really good practice, and you know how, for example, I say here car parking, car create park, armin 7, this parked armin 7, and now administration panel, car admin here we want to have armin 7, find it for us, and €4. And for sure you know that this is for educational purposes, and I've just made a method here, and it's showing every possibility number 4, but I told you, and you know how to deal with this. I hope you enjoy this, guys. This is a really very long video, and I'm going to upload it. Have a nice weekend, and I see you in the next one, and ciao.